Oi! Keep your pants on. Hello everyone, welcome back to a food review club. Now, burger wars continue, we'll get to that. But first, this is our first ever Australian sponsor. Come on! Pat the Drum Man. Welcome. Pat the Drum Man reached out to us and said, Matt, Jess, I want to sponsor a video. He's from Adelaide, Australia, and he sells AdBlue. Anything you want to add to that, Jess?
No, he just said he thinks
Big fan of the page.
Be a laugh if his friends see it.
Be a laugh. So, Pat the Drum Man, welcome to England. It is chuffing. Just show Pat the Drum Man how wet it is.
It's horrible.
It is horrible, as they say in France, horrible. Welcome, Pat the Drum Man. Australia, God bless. I wish we had your weather right now.
I wonder how many people actually watch from Australia.
I don't think there'll be many. Hello, if you're watching from Australia. I love you. Now, let's get on with the food. Pat, I've brought your review to Honest Burgers. This is a big deal. Everyone says you've got to try Honest Burgers. They're incredible. I'm going to be brutally honest, straight up with you on camera right now. I've never had one. Have you had one, Jess?
Nope.
Why have we never had one?
I don't know.
I don't know either. So, obviously, we are locked up right now. But you can do takeaway, you can't. We had to get this ordered via Deliveroo or Uber Eats.
Yep.
Which one?
Uber Eats.
Uber Eats. Uber Eats brought it to said food review wagon in bag. There we go. Did you pay for this, Jess?
I did pay
Are you
for
sure Uber Eats didn't give you £5,000 for this review? Honest Burger? £10,000? Did they pay for this?
No.
We paid. Are you telling
You know
me we
what?
paid? Are you telling me we paid for this food?
I'll tell you what, Uber Eats did give me 60% off. I know,
Quality.
that's my last voucher.
Is it really?
Yeah.
So how much was all this?
So originally it would have been about £18, £19.
All right, cool.
I got it for like a tenner.
Bargain. So what are they going to reimburse us later on, yeah? No! We pay for the food. Right. First things first, drink watch. I've had this before.
Oh, have you?
No, we've had the brand, not this. Had Karma Cola before, didn't we? This is Karma Drinks. This is ginger ale. Woo!
No, it's gingerella.
It's gingerella. Can't read, dyslexic. Could you slip that in pocket? I'll swip that out at the end when I need some fluids in mouth.
Stop talking like that.
Right, okay, I don't know what that is.
Gravy. I made this order, by the way.
Jess made this order, organised as ever, so there we go.
Nice.
It's honestly quite small. Okay, food reviewer time, let's go. First thing I'll notice, excellent packaging. Branding on point, good rigidity to the box. My burger and chips, I think, will not be getting smashed about. Oh, look at this. So, whilst we're waiting for Mr. Uber Eats to arrive, we did a bit of research, and kind of cool, Honest Burgers started 9-10 years ago in Brixton, Jess.
Yes.
Really expanded. The young lads who started it kicked off by the look of it, and they've really expanded. Got numerous places out and about, and they specialise in using local, high quality produce. Is that right, Jessica? Including the beers in the restaurants, which is really cool. So these are the speciality rosemary fries you told me about. Salted rosemary fries with a lemon zest in the, yeah?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's try one. They look like a solid chip. That's not a great chip.
Oh.
Kind of dead. I'll tell you, I'll explain. That one's better.
Oh.
That's why you got to have 3 or 4 chips. You can't be diving in. That chip I had was dead. Soft, dead, no crunch. This evening, the flavour, delicious. Really, really nice salt levels. The rosemary comes through lovely.
They chip all their own potatoes.
Do they?
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite...
I like that. Sometimes you will get an irregular chip. That way, after all, it does grow in the ground. Just could you flip that off with your free hand? So this in here, my love, what is this?
This is beef and bacon gravy.
Beef and bacon gravy. Oh, I love. Oh my god, look how thick it is. Look.
Oh.
Watch out for your shadow. Oi! Keep your pants on. That's cold. That's stone cold.
Is it supposed? I suppose it's supposed to be.
Is it?
I don't know.
I was expecting that to be warm. That was weird. Flavour, amazing.
I think it's more like a dip rather than
Yeah.
a gravy.
And what's the dip that is as well, by the way? That's good. Weird though, I kind of wanted it to be gravy, cold gravy. Nice. You northern up there, that's what you have for breakfast. I know. There you go. What an interesting combo. Pat the drum man, how are you finding this? Pat, make yourself visible, please. Get in the comments.
Everyone say hello to him.
Everyone, ladies, send pictures of the naughty parts to Pat, please. Men, do the same. Let's really spice up his evening. Pat the drum man, AdBlue. If you need to buy AdBlue anywhere in Adelaide, there's only one man to go to. That's Pat the drum man. Right. What an absolute hero. One more chip.
I feel like you're liking that dip.
That's good. It's really good, Joe. I suppose this is the main event. Honest Burgers. How they built their business. Wrapped up in here. Believe it or not, guys, this is not an organised review. They didn't know we were coming. There's no special treatment whatsoever. In fact, I tried to go in, they turned me away. Right. First things first, kind of an underwhelming looking burger. Doesn't look particularly flash or anything to write home about visually. What have I got in here, Jessica? Talk to me about the flavour.
You got apple chutney,
Yeah, like that.
cheddar gorge cheese,
Ooh, nice bit of bacon in there.
bacon obviously.
Single piece of bacon.
Got you medium well again.
There's my salad. No sauce on the bottom bun.
Oh, we've got a dog.
We have random dog. Dog watch. Is that your dog?
It is, yeah.
What's the dog called?
Jimmy.
Jimmy! Can I give Jimmy a chip?
Yeah, he's right, yeah.
Here you go, Jimmy. You sit.
Probably won't leave you alone now.
No. Oh.
Turn him down.
Honest Burger. Jimmy, bye-bye.
He's on a diet.
Jimmy, absolutely snubbed your chip.
Don't eat that.
I won't. Oh my God.
Don't put it back in there.
Oh, they're going to go in the bin. The dog owner said he will not leave you alone. That's obviously a dog that knows and likes his food. Snubbed it. Okay, Honest Burger, here we go. Let's get down to business.
Jesus.
Cool, tiny little bun. Quite kind of small in stature. Could you double up on these?
Yeah, I think.
Maybe we should have done. The chutney on top is lovely. The cheese and the bacon is nice. Overall though, I'm a little bit underwhelmed. Sorry to say it, Honest Burger. I had really high hopes. Please guys, you lot at home, particularly you, Pat the drum man, please get in the comments and let me know what you think of Honest Burger. Jess, you said something quite interesting about the meat,
Yeah.
mincing of the meat. They do it themselves, or
No, they don't mince. They chop.
something. Please don't mistake my words here. Very nice, good solid burger. I just can't deny the fact I've been to quite a lot of burger places lately that have done it considerably better than this. I don't want to be negative on the page. Hopefully I've done it wrong or something. Maybe they've ordered the wrong burger. I think this one is called the Cambridge.
It is the Cambridge burger.
Cool. However, this particular burger for me isn't screaming Mount Everest. This is more of a Ben Nevis, you know? I can't deny it. You know, it is what it is. No doubt they've got an amazing business, amazing product, and a great team. This burger for me today hasn't pickled or tickled my pickle. Oh yeah. Excuse me, have you ever been to Honest Burger before?
Never been there.
Never
No.
been, no?
Is it good?
Do you know what? It's okay. It's okay. Where's your favourite burger in Cambridge?
Haven't got one.
Haven't got one. What
Haven't got
about?
one. At home. My
Ah.
Whoa!
That's the best. That's the best burger you'll
Yes. Oh, I'll have to come round. Tell her I said hello. There you go. A man supporting his own. He cannot beat that, and I think we should finish on that. There. Hold on. Whilst we talk about a score, let's digest with our gingerella. Really nice. Organic Karma drinks. Are they local, Jess?
Not sure.
Ginger ale, ginger beer, ginger drink. Nice warmth to it. On a freezing, cold, rainy, miserable day. Honest Burger. Please get in the comments and let me know what you think of it. Have we ordered it all wrong by getting it medium? Should we have got it medium rare? That's how I like my burger though. Guys, get in the comments. Opportunity for debate. There you go. Thanks for watching, everyone. The score. Wow. How have I done that? All right, cool. The score. The very nearly forgotten
That's why
about score.
Why everyone's here.
No, everyone's long gone by now, Jess. Particularly, probably the only person that's left watching now is Pat the Drum Man. I'm going to give this a score today of 6.8. Is what it is. What do you think? Right, wrong? I've had a lot better. We'll see. Maybe we'll come back another day and try another burger. How the chef recommends it potentially. But as a product, small, underwhelming, not particularly nice to put together. Fairly low-key for the money. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Please get in the comments and let me know what you think. Have I missed the mark on this, or have we hit the nail on the head? And that
Check
is a
the
review.
mic and make sure it sound right, boys.